Introducing the Canadian Timber Georgian Cabin Sauna with wood heater. Please make sure you have the following items. Make sure you have a sturdy and level platform to build your sauna on. Place down your base staves. They are marked to indicate where each stave should be placed. Insert two 3-inch screws into the ends of each base stave. Repeat this process until all 8 staves have been secured. Place the stave labeled Floor Starter at the front of the sauna to begin your floor. Make sure it is flush with the inside of the outer base staves and secure with 3-inch screws. To give the floor a cleaner look, only secure to the 2 outermost staves on each side. Place the next floor stave and insert the tongue into the groove. Secure with 3-inch screws. Repeat this process until all floor staves have been placed. The final 6 floor staves can be secured to every base stave, as these will be hidden by the benches. Use the stave labeled Floor Finisher as the last floor stave. Now place 3 more 3-inch screws into the side base staves. Now place the stave labeled Door at the front of the sauna and secure with 4 3-inch screws. Place the rear wall starter stave at the back of the sauna and secure with 4 3-inch screws. Place the first set of wall staves and ensure they are securely inserted into the grooves. Insert 3-inch screws every 3 boards to secure the wall to the floor. Place 2 more 3-inch screws into the front wall starter stave to secure it to the floor. Place 2 medium-length wall staves onto the front of the sauna and tap into the grooves using the provided hip blocks. Secure by inserting a 5-inch screw into each notch. Place a wall stave onto the back of the sauna and tap it into the grooves. Secure by inserting a 5-inch screw into each notch. Place a wall stave onto each side, tap into the groove, and secure with a 5-inch screw into each notch. Place 2 more front wall staves, tap into the groove, and secure with a 5-inch screw into each notch. Repeat this process until you are ready for the 4th front wall stave. Now place and secure the front wall staves labeled Window. Place and secure another back wall stave and side wall staves. Now place and secure a short front wall stave on either side. Repeat the process of placing and securing side, back, and short front wall staves until the short staves are 8 staves high. Now place your windows onto the front wall and ensure the staves are fully inserted into the grooves. Now, slide in your door between the front wall staves. Now slide in all the small front wall staves between the door and the windows. Now place and secure a medium-length front wall stave above each window. Place and secure another rear stave and sidewall staves. Place and secure a full-length front wall stave labeled Door. Insert 8 3-inch screws into the door frame as shown. place and secure another wall stave onto the rear of the sauna. Now place and secure the staves with the tapered edge to the sides of the sauna. Now place the front and rear triangle pieces onto the sauna. Secure with 5-inch screws into the pre-drilled holes. Place a 5-inch screw through the door frame into the triangle piece to pull the middle in. Place the center support piece between the two triangle pieces. Secure each end with two 5-inch screws. Now place a roof starter piece. Align the notch with the end of the triangle pieces. Secure with 9 3-inch screws. Begin placing the roof staves and secure each with two 3-inch screws. When you reach the last stave for one side, use the wider stave without the groove on the top. Secure with 6 3-inch screws. Repeat the process on the other side. Now insert 4 3-inch screws into the front trim pieces and mount to the roof staves. Repeat on the back side. Place the front metal trim pieces onto the wood trim pieces. Secure with the short black screws. Repeat on the back side. Place the long metal trim pieces on the sides of the roof, and then secure. Now begin placing the metal shingles and securing with the roofing screws. Be sure to overlap the panels as shown. Now place and overlap the next row over the first as shown. Continue securing every ridge with the roofing screws. When you are ready for your last row, measure to see the remaining length needed. Transfer this measurement to the last 3 shingles and cut accordingly. Place and secure the last 3 shingles. Repeat the process on the other side. Place the roof ridge cap and mark the length of the roof. Cut off the excess ridge cap. Reveal the adhesive side of the M seal and stick it to each side of the ridge cap. Slide the ridge cap under the front and rear trim pieces. Secure it with roofing screws in every ridge. Place a final small black screw into the peak of the front and back trim pieces. Flatten any points. Now place 3-inch screws into the bench supports. Place the 2-tier bench support against the wall and mark the top and the front. Mount the longer support board to the top with 3-inch screws. Mount the shorter support board to the bottom with 3 3-inch screws. Repeat the process on the other side. Place the top bench over the supports and secure with 3-inch screws. Align the bench legs and secure with 3-inch screws. Place the bottom bench over the supports and secure with 3-inch screws. Secure the bench legs to the floor and wall with 3-inch screws. Place the small bench support against the front wall and mark the top and front. Mount the support board with 3 3-inch screws. Place the small bench support legs on the other end. Make sure the side labeled top is upward. Secure to the wall and floor with 3-inch screws. Place the bench on the supports and secure with 3-inch screws. Place the remaining bench support legs and secure with 3-inch screws. Now place the heat shield on the floor where the stove will be, and bring in the stove. Place the short metal pipe into the stove and mark it where it meets the wall. Mark the center of the outline. Measure the diameter of the chimney and transfer that measurement to the wall centered around the previous mark. Use a scriber or one of the chimney support bands to create a circle around the marks. Drill a starter hole for the jigsaw. Cut out the chimney hole. Place the chimney through the hole, then through the heat shield, with the hole towards the bottom, then into the stove. Secure the heat shield to the wall using 6 1-inch screws. Measure the distance from the wall to the center of the chimney. Mark this measurement near the top of the sauna wall. Insert 3-inch screws into the chimney support boards. Mark the center of the first board. Align the mark on the support board with the one placed on the wall and secure it. Secure the next board on top with the screws in the opposite orientation so they don't collide. Repeat with the third board. Mark the distance again to the center of the chimney. Install the chimney support bracket centered on this mark. Place a support band onto the top chimney piece and secure it to the middle chimney piece. Place the cap on the top of the chimney. Place the top 2 pieces of the chimney onto the base of the chimney and secure with a support band. Push the chimney in until it aligns with the top support bracket and secure it with the band. Place the cover around the chimney hole and secure it with the short silver screws. Now install the handle on the stove. Install the outer door handle at the desired height. Secure with 2 3-inch screws. Install inner door handle at desired height. Secure with 2 3-inch screws. Mark the vent hole positions on the back wall of the sauna and drill out with a 2-inch hole saw. Screw on the vent board with a 1.5-inch screw. Mark the vent hole positions on the side wall of the sauna, next to the stove, and drill out with a 2-inch hole saw. Only go halfway through to prevent splintering. Finish on the other side. Screw on the vent guards. Install the optional shelf in desired location. Secure with 2 1.5-inch screws. Install the optional thermometer in the desired location. Secure with a 1.5-inch screw. Install the optional sand timer in the desired location. Secure with 2 1.5-inch screws. Your assembly is now complete.